When we talk about staff training, I think it's fascinating to me how many folks forget this point. The best way we can improve our camps is by investing in staff training. It's just simply the best way. When we talk about this topic, it often gets overlooked. And I visit, 40 camps this summer, 40 camps last summer, over 80 camps in action over the past 3 summers. And it's just clear the more you invest in staff training, the higher the performance of the staff, then that leads to more quality camp experience for all. And it's fascinating because I will routinely survey camps and ask them about their staff training. So what you're looking at, this is the data from the staffing survey I ran 2 years in a row, ran with Jack Schott and from the Summer Camp Society. And essentially, when you look at it, over 2 years, the same trends were coming back, which was when we asked people about their onboarding process, a large amount of folks were either neutral or negative. Only 15% were positive. So if we're hiring staff and we're not training them before camp begins, then are they really feeling prepared as they walk in?